what's up and welcome back to my channel. So I know I look a little crazy right now, and that is because we are testing out a new mascara today. Well, not very new, but still sort of new. It is the Colourpop Volumizing Mascara, the BFF Mascara. So I have a full face of makeup already and I just don't have my mascara on. So that is what we're going to be testing today. Let me look it up to make sure I get all the facts right about this. So I am on Colourpop's website here, and it says that it instantly lifts your lashes while volumizing and lengthening in the blackest black formula. The unique twisting nylon fiber brush is shaped to comb through each lash from root to tip, delivering a buildable look that never clumps. Who needs flakes in their life when you have a BFF? No flaking, no BS, just a ride or die formula. Colourpop is so cute, I love it. So this is, like I said, the Colourpop BFF Mascara, and I've been using this for a while now. I just haven't filmed a video over it, and I do have my thoughts and opinions, but I'm gonna just show you guys the application process and show you what it looks like on my lashes, what it does for me, and then I will tell you guys how I feel about it at the end. Okay, so now we're up close and personal. We are going to just do this, and I do have mine in the shade Black on Black, which is just their only black one. Here is what the mascara wand looks like. So it kind of looks like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So I like to start at my root, and I like to blink it through ever so gently to make sure I'm getting the root. And sometimes I make the weirdest faces when I put on mascara, so just don't mind that. But it sometimes helps me if I blink and then I wiggle. So just wiggle the brush through. And I know a lot of people just apply their mascara that way, but a slow blink and then wiggle through. But personally, I just find it easier for me to just sit here and blink the whole time. It just builds up quicker for me, and so that's what I like to do. So this is what one coat of the BFF mascara looks like on my lashes. I usually do 2 coats just because it builds it up a little bit more, but it's definitely very black, and as you can see from the other side, you can see my lashes are obvious. Okay, so going in for the second coat. Okay, so here is what the second coat of mascara looks like on my lashes. I got a little closer to the camera so you guys could actually see. This is very close for me and kind of uncomfortable. It definitely coats all my lashes, and it's definitely very black. I do think it does what it says it does, so it lengthens and it volumizes. Okay, so here are both eyes done, and the way I like to do it on my bottom lashes is I just take the mascara wand and I wiggle it ever so gently on my bottom lashes, just because I don't want too much mascara down there and I don't want it to clump up. So here's what both of the eyes with the mascara on looks like. And I don't ever wear falsies, so I always like a mascara that does give me volume, length, and makes them look like a false lash effect. So I did want to just give you my thoughts on this mascara before I do end this video. I really do like this mascara. I love the way it looks on my eyes. I think it adds a lot of volume and length, which is something I always look for in my mascaras. The only thing that I don't like about it is that it does flake on me, and I know it says that it's not supposed to, but it does flake on me, and then I do find that throughout the day it starts getting black on my outer corners and coming down a little bit. So sometimes I find myself, if I do want to wear this mascara, I just don't wear it on my bottom lashes, because I feel like that helps the problem a little bit, because on the bottom and the outer corners especially, it does make it black under there. And I don't have particularly watery eyes. I have fairly normal eyes. If anything, they're probably more dry than they are watery, but it does still do that to me. I'm not sure if any other people out there have this problem or if I just have weird eyes. But I do find it doing that a little bit. So if you are wanting to purchase this mascara, I would just keep that in mind. Like I said, I don't know if other people experience that problem, but the mascara does retail for $8 on Colourpop, which doesn't break the bank, which is an amazing price, which is something I love about Colourpop. I love Colourpop. The only thing is that it does just run on me. I mean, overall, I would give this mascara like an 8 out of 10 the only reason 8 out of 10 is because of the running on me. But it is affordable, it is great, and I mean, I don't think it's bad to try it out. And if you have been looking for a colored mascara, they do have this mascara in lots of fun colors that look interesting that I do want to try. But yeah, guys, that is everything I do have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I was going to say at the beginning of this video, I forgot, that I do want to start doing like Mascara Mondays. So if I ever have a mascara that I wanted to test out or try out or let you guys know about, I want to post it on a Monday. It won't be every Monday, so don't worry, not every Monday will be a mascara video, but if I do post one, I kind of wanted it to be a Monday just because I think that's kind of cute. So now I have Mascara Mondays and then Masking with Maddie. I don't know if that's stupid or not, but I thought it was kind of cute. Alright guys, so that is everything I have for today's video. If you do want to purchase the Colourpop Bff Mascara, you can purchase this on colourpop.com. I will have Colourpop linked down below. No, I do not make any kind of like commission or anything off of this. Colourpop doesn't even know who I am or that I'm making this video. I did just want to share my thoughts and stuff with you guys, and if you wanted to find it, I just wanted to give you like a more quick link. However you say that. But that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you want to, please consider subscribing to my channel if you enjoy my content, or if you just like me and think I'm weird and want to hang out with me on the internet. So I hope you guys are having a blessed day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!